Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You need a compatible iPad and Apple Pencil. Once ready, update Goodnotes and verify iPad OS supports Scribble. Open Settings, tap Apple Pencil, and turn on Scribble so handwriting converts to text system-wide. Then launch Goodnotes and open any notebook. Select the pen tool to ensure the app recognizes handwriting input. This first action sequence activates system-level support and prepares Goodnotes to accept Scribble gestures, so make sure both OS and app are current before moving to conversion steps. Once Scribble is enabled, write directly in Goodnotes with the Apple Pencil. Write naturally and leave slight spacing between words. To convert, use the lasso tool. Circle your handwriting, then tap the selection and choose Convert or Copy as Text. This preserves formatting and location. Make use of Scribble gestures too. Scratch out to delete, draw a vertical line to join, or tap to select. These middle steps handle recognition and editing, so take time to practice lasso accuracy for best results. To finish, review converted text and adjust spacing or formatting as needed. Use undo for quick fixes. If recognition seems off, go back to iPad settings and toggle Scribble or calibrate handwriting familiarity by writing more in system apps. Once done, save or export your notebook. If Scribble fails entirely, restart Goodnotes, then the iPad. Reinstall only after backing up notebooks by exporting PDFs. One troubleshooting tip: restarting the device often clears recognition caches and resolves most intermittent issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.